100 miles on it. It used to be an old SEMA truck. The original owner, when I bought it, looked like it was probably parked in, I don't know, I'd probably say a barn or a Quonset that it probably sat for a couple of years. There was tree roots all through the brake calipers. There was dogs. There was mud daubers. I don't know what mud daubers are. They're like a big wasp, and they make a nest out of wasps or out of mud. And there were mud dauber nests everywhere. The paint was all shot underneath. It was all rusted, chipping. The powder coat was all chipping. Bought it and had a set of 38s on it with some old Dixie Pex. They were pretty small. They didn't look right. So I did a little updating. It's got a set of 24 by 14s on it. They're, what are they? They're TR, no, they are custom offsets. The Archons, Alexanders. They're nice. They fit good. I haven't had any problems with them. They got 2 valve stems on them, which is kind of different. One on the back, one on the front. They're wrapped in Atturo Trailblade bosses, 42, 15, 50, 24s. The interior is all done. The paint was not in very good shape when I got it either, so it needed a full paint correction, ceramic coating, and cleanup. It just needs some TLC all around. So what I did, we're going to go wash the truck today, take it through the paces. We're going to hand mitt at a actual car wash. So we'll use the wand, put some soap down, we'll wash it with the mitt, and then we'll dry it, and then I'll do a walk around, show everybody what it looks like. We'll go over some things. It's on a Kelderman 6 to 16 inch. Rides about 10 or 12 inches on the 42s without any rubbing. Let's see. Other than that, I mean, it's got foxes all the way around, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. It's in great shape now. So interior's all redone. I'll get some pictures of that for you guys too. I'll probably take the car seats out so you can actually see what the seats look like.